Video we are discussing question number 4. So what is question number 4 is saying, use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Now see here आप ये देख सकते हैं जैसे हमने पिछले सम में देखा था कि 3m and 3m plus 1, this means the value of b here is what? 3. This means the divisor is what? 3. So in previous classes में हमने डिस्कस किया था that if a positive integer is divided by 3, है ना, हमने ये रिमार्क में देखा था, if any positive integer is divided by 3 then the remainder can be 0, 1 और 2. ओके, जब भी कोई भी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर 3 से डिवाइड होता है सो रिमाइंडर कैन बी 0, रिमाइंडर कैन बी 1 और रिमाइंडर कैन बी 2 also. Okay, this means it can be written in the form of 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Okay, so this whole thing we have discussed in remark in previous classes. Okay, so I hope आपको ये चीज़ clear हो गई होगी. Now see, if a is equals to 3q, if we are considering this 3q, okay, so if a equals to 3q, तो यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया है देखिए, show that the square of any positive integer. So what we are doing here, squaring both sides. If we square both sides, अगर हम दोनों साइड स्क्वायरिंग करते हैं, so what we will get, a square is equals to 3q square. This means what? a square will be equals to 9q square हो जाएगा. Okay, और a square can be written as what? 3 into 3q square हम लिख सकते हैं because 3 3s are 9. So 9q square can be written as what? 3 into 3q square. I hope आपको ये चीज़ clear हो गई होगी. Now this can be written as what? 3 a square can be written as what? 3 into m, where 3q square is equals to what? We have taken 3q square equals to m. हमने यहाँ पे 3q square को हमने एक यहाँ पे वेरिएबल कंसिडर कर लिया m. ओके, सो वी हैव कंसिडर्ड 3q square as what? m. ओके, सो here we have considered 3q square as m. So a square is represented as what? 3m. Is that clear? Now if a is equals to, if we consider a equals to 3q plus 1, अगर हम a को क्या ले लें, 3q plus 1 कंसिडर करें, so again if we square both sides, so squaring, if we squaring both sides, अगर हम दोनों साइड स्क्वायर करते हैं, so what you will get, a square equals to 3q plus 1 the whole square. Okay, so a square equals to what? 3q plus 1 the whole square. This means what? a square is equals to, इसमें a plus b the whole square का फॉर्मूला लगा सकते हैं. So you will get a square means 3q square plus 2ab means 2 into 3q into 1 plus b square means 1 square. This implies what? A square can be written as 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Is that clear? I hope आपको ये चीज़ clear हो गई होगी. Now from these two terms, ये दो terms से हम कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं. कुछ क्या कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं? We can take out 3 कॉमन. ओके, सो बचेगा क्या कॉमन यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में, इन ब्रैकेट विच कॉमन विल बी लेफ्ट? 3q स्क्वायर प्लस 2. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? हमने यहाँ 9q स्क्वायर प्लस 6q में से क्या कॉमन निकाला है? 3 कॉमन निकाला है. सो इन ब्रैकेट विच टर्म्स विल बी लेफ्ट? 3q स्क्वायर एंड 2. सो 3q स्क्वायर प्लस 2 विल बी लेफ्ट. सो if we consider 3q square plus 2 equals to m, here we have considered 3q square equals to, here we have considered what? 3q square plus 2 equals to what? m. This means what? A square can be written as 3m plus 1. ओके, यहाँ पे हमने m की वैल्यू क्या ले ली थी? 3q स्क्वायर. एंड हेयर वी हैव टेकन वैल्यू ऑफ m इज व्हाट? 3q स्क्वायर प्लस 2. इज दैट क्लियर? सो दिस मीन्स व्हाट? in this case square of a is expressed in the form of 3m, and in this case square of a is expressed in the form of what? 3m plus 1. Is that clear? Now again एक और हमारे पास ये बचता है, कौन सा टर्म ये बचता है? a can also be expressed as 3q plus 2. So let us see that also. Okay, so if a equals to 3q plus 2, if we consider a equals to what? 3q plus 2. अगर हम a को 3q plus 2 मान लें, so let us see what is happening. Now squaring both sides. Again, if we are squaring both sides, then what will we get? A square equals to 3q plus 2 the whole square. Is that clear? This implies a square equals to what? Again a plus b का whole square का formula लगेगा. This means this will be equal to what? A square means 3 square plus 2 into a into b means 2 into 3q plus 2 plus b square means 2 square. So this implies what? A square is equals to what? 9q square plus this will be what? 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12q plus 4. Is that clear? I hope आपको यहाँ तक clear हो गया होगा. Now in order to take 3 common, a square can be written as what? 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. I have split it 4 into 3 plus 1. Is that clear? So ये पूरा ब्रैकेट हम सेपरेटली लेंगे. सो दिस implies what? A square can be written as, you can take here 3 common. If you take 3 common here, so what you will get? 3q square plus 4q plus 1 and plus 1. From this bracket we have taken 3 common. Is that clear? I hope आपको ये clear हो गया होगा. So this means what? A square can be written as what? 3m plus 1. Here the value of m is what? Where m equals to what? 3q square plus 4q plus 1. So we have taken here m as what? 3q square plus 4q plus 1. This means again in this case also a square can be written as what? 3m plus 1. So if we consider this as your first condition, if you consider this as योर सेकेंड कंडीशन, और अगर हम इसको हमारी थर्ड कंडीशन कंसिडर करें, सो व्हाट वी कैन कंक्लूड, हम लास्ट में फाइनल क्या लिख सकते हैं? देयरफॉर फ्रॉम 1 2 and 3, therefore from 1 2 and 3 any positive integer can be in the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Is that clear? यहाँ पे m कोई भी एक इंटीजर है. ओके, m इज सम इंटीजर, m कोई भी एक आपका इंटीजर है. सो दिस कंप्लीट्स योर question number 4, solution of question number 4. In next video we will start with next question. Thank you.